No, Ozzy. I don't know where the dance studio is.
Babs.
Ah! Hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy.
My name is Pamela. This is Emer,
Oh.
and this is Marie.
Ah, hello.
We're getting ready for our big dance flash mob performance in town.
We love to dance.
Yo, did it.
Come on. Ah, can we dance now?
First, we need to warm up our muscles, and then we are ready to dance.
Okay, so we're going to warm up our hands, and we're going to warm up our wrists, and we're going to shake out our ankles, and we're going to do a big stretch.
No.
And then we're going to do another stretch. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh my goodness.
No. D. D.
Oh, that's much better.
Ah, thank you, Emer. That's much easier.
Let's love sign. Thank you. Thank you. You sign. Thank you. Good. Thank you.
Come on, Ozzy, let's do this.
Good work, Joe. Now we can start dancing. But first, we need some music. I think you might have a speaker for us.
My first delivery. Wait, here. Oh! A speaker.
That speaker's too small. We need a big speaker so that we can hear the music in the room properly.
We have no music. What's that, Ozzy? You can play the music? Good idea. Ozzy will play the music for us.
Yay! Now it's time to start dancing.
Let's love sign. Now. Now. You sign. Now. Good. Now.
Hello, everybody.
I will be dancing with you today.
Yay!
I have a delivery for you. A costume!
Joe, we need more.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Dee!
We're all ready to dance in the shopping centre now, but we want it to be a big surprise.
I think everybody is here. It's time to dance.
Let's love sign. Dance. Dance. You sign. Dance. Good. Dance.
Ozzy, let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dance.
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. La 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 la. Hede mai tato he.
Roller coaster ride.